Virgo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong 2024 predictions. We will see what are the energies coming to you ngayong 2024. This is a general reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages, and thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na ito bilang gabay. And pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity items, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Okay, Virgo. Let's see. Virgo. For 2024, you have Sage. Sage is about protection. So, isa yan sa focus mo ngayong 2024. To cleanse the energies around you, to focus on peace and harmony, and also keeping your space, your home protected. I think iiwas ka na sa mga toxic situation ngayong 2024. Let's see what else. You have Scorpion. Scorpion is about passion, no? You will also focus on nurturing your passion, pag-aalaga sa gusto mo, no? Pwedeng iba, meron kayong ipupursue na career that you are very passionate about. You also have the Swan. The Swan is about lover, soulmate connection. So some of you, if you are looking for a romantic partner, so there's a big possibility na meron kayong makilala ngayong 2024 na soulmate. That you will have a very passionate connection, passionate relationship. Kumbaga malalim na connection. Let's see what else for Virgo. You have the 4th house, so home life, family life rin ang focus ng iba sa inyo. Maaring itong protection na sinasabi ko kanina is related sa pagbibigay mo ng protection sa family mo. Yung iba, magpapatayo ng gate, magpapalagay ng gate, o kaya meron kayong i-install mga CCTV or other devices that will protect your family. Yung iba naman, pwede rin tong spiritual, no? You will be more active in doing mga spiritual na activities that will cleanse and protect your home, your family life. And you also have Mars energy. So, this is about, I see this as your creativity. Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong ipupursue na creative passion ninyo. Ngayong 2024 na walang makakapigil sa inyo. You also have Imam Coeli, which is your roots. So, mainly focus talaga rito is bahay, no? Home life, family life. Having a stable connection with your family, your loved ones, and having a stable home and stable income na rin, no, for your family. Let's see, ano pa. Yung iba, meron ditong unexpected na na blessing na matatanggap mula sa inyong parents or mula sa inyong mga ancestors like lolo, lola, ganyan. Pwedeng inheritance. Meron din ditong magpapa-renovate ng kanilang bahay. So, let's see what else na natin month by month for you, Virgo. January, you have the 10 of Wands. A lot of work. Overloaded, no? Maaring meron kayong hinahabol na income ngayong January na gusto nyo makuha nyo agad. So, ngayon, mas marami kayong kukuning mga responsibilities, obligations. Just make sure na kaya nyo siyang i-handle, no? Para makaiwas kayo sa burnout or stress. So, pagdating naman ng February, you have the 2 of Pentacles. Ayan, balance. O, diba? kung overloaded kayo ng January, pagdating ng February, medyo, maaayos nyo na yung schedule ninyo, yung time management ninyo. Pipili lang kayo ng kaya nyong i-handle. Okay? Kaya nyong i-handle, kaya nyong i-balance. And multiple sources of income, yes, pero kaya nyong pagsabay-sabayin. Pagdating naman ng March, you have the Ten of Pentacles. Wow, ang ganda. Pagdating ng March, you don't have to worry about your finances. Your needs are all met. Kaya mong i-provide yung needs ng family mo, mga mahal mo sa buhay. And this is having a stable income. Kumbaga, worth it rin naman yung trinabaho mo, yung hinabol mo na income ng January kasi magiging rewarding naman yan for you. Yung iba talaga merong bibilhing properties, bahay, or may matatanggap kayong property from your parents, inheritance, ganyan. So, pagdating ng April, you have the Seven of Cups. Maraming choices, maraming opportunities na mag-open sa'yo pagdating ng April. Yun nga lang, the more choices kasi, the more we get confused, no? Kung alin doon yung pipiliin natin sa options na yan. So, just make sure that you tap into your instinct, your intuition, which is best for you. Okay? Yung iba naman, meron kayong confused na feelings towards someone, no? Kasi pwedeng nagbibigay ito ng mixed signals na hindi mo alam kung talaga bang may interest siya sa'yo kasi minsan nandyan, minsan naman wala. So, pagdating ng May, you have the Ace of Wands. So, new beginnings, travel opportunities. Yung iba na hindi pa nakakapag-travel ever in your entire life. Like, long distance by air, through ibang bansa, ayan, hindi pa nakapag-travel abroad. Ngayong May, meron kayong opportunity to travel abroad. Iba naman sa inyo, merong career na sisimulan ngayong May. So, let's see naman, pagdating ng June, you have Temperance, which is also focusing on your health, your healing. I think meron kang kailangang i-work out or ayusin pagdating ng June. Pwede kasing, yes, may opportunity ka, pero meron kang kailangang i-fulfill na requirements para para makuha mo, para mag-qualify ka for that opportunity. So, it may take some patience and also action and work, effort galing sa'yo. Pagdating ng July, let's see, July, you have the Seven of Wands. So, may challenges dito. But, whatever challenge this is, kaya mo siyang harapin kasi meron kang lakas ng loob na kailangan mo. Tingnan natin kung anong challenge to. So, in what area of life tong challenge? Fourth house, family, home life. So, yung iba sa inyo na merong pinapaayos na bahay or merong bibiling bahay, pwedeng magkaroon dyan ng delays or issues or challenges na maging dahilan para medyo matagalan, no, yung plano mo for that. But eventually, no, maayos rin naman yan. Pagdating ng August, you have the Knight of Pentacles. So, prosperity investments. Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong papasuking negosyo or certain investment na talagang, safe, no? Low risk, kumbaga. Kumbaga sa stock market. Low risk siya kasi, hindi ganun kalaki yung investment. Pero hindi rin ganun kalaki yung iyong makukuhang interest or yung makukuha mong earnings doon. Pero, pang matagalan siya. Okay? So, mas stable na type of business. Safe siya. Ganon. So, let's see. Pagdating naman ng September for For Virgo, the Magician, power, action, skills. Marami kang mga new ideas pagdating ng September about kung paano mo mas i-improve yung knowledge mo, yung skills mo. I think yung iba mag-aaral pa, no? Or meron kayong i-research, dadagdagan nyo pa yung kaalaman nyo. And you can use that para mas ma-improve pa, ma-upgrade pa yung situation ninyo, yung standing ninyo sa trabaho, sa career, or sa business ninyo. Let's see naman. July, August, September, October. You have the World. The World is about completion, a successful completion. So, yung iba sa inyo, merong matatapos na kontrata, project, pero very successful ito na mag-open ng mga bagong opportunities sa inyo, especially abroad. So, this is also rewards para sa inyo. So, yung mga trinabaho nyo, binigyan nyo ng effort, nung first half ng 2024, magtutuloy-tuloy yan na makakita ka ng rewards. Yung iba naman, pwede kayong papasok sa isang long-distance relationship with someone, or you may be getting acquainted or connected sa isang foreigner. Pwedeng romantic yan, pwede rin tong sa business. Just take what resonates. So, pagdating naman ng November, let's see, November, 8 of Swords. Okay, so may overthinking dito. What is this? Bakit may, you feel like there's some sort of limitation. May nagli-limit sa'yo. Ninth house, okay. Ninth house is about learning and also travel. So, pwedeng yung mga gusto mong i-pursue na, yung mga pinag-aaralan mo, pwede siyang ma-stuck at some point, no, especially in November, pwedeng dahil magiging busy ka sa ibang bagay. So, yung mga pinupurso mo na mga bagong pag-aaralan, hindi mo na maituloy-tuloy, no? Pero pwedeng pause lang naman yan, pagtigil lang yan. Pwedeng may challenge lang ng konti. But eventually, magagawan mo yun ng paraan. And yung iba naman, travel, no? Pwedeng, yes, may opportunity for travel, pero pwedeng magkaroon ng delays, some issues. Okay? And then, December, you have the Seven of Swords. Nako, merong some of you, Virgo, you may encounter dishonesty, no? Cheating sa isang tao. Kaya siguro, parang you feel like hindi ka na makakilos ng maayos because may nasa-sense ka ng, something wrong is going on. What is this about? Sixth house, sa trabaho. Pwede rin sa health mo to, no? Pay attention to your health, Virgo. Ito yung mga bagay na hindi mo pwedeng ipagsawalang bahala. Kasi, pwedeng, sa una, akala mo okay lang, things are doing well, but, pag napabayaan, baka, ikaw rin yung mas mahirapan. So, heads up lang yan, just in case. Pagdating sa money, finances, meron kang madidiscover about your talents, your skills, na yan pala talaga yung iyong destiny, yung iyong life's purpose. Yes, marami kang papasuking investments, pwedeng negosyo, and you will see the growth. Meron ka ring babalikan, no? Pwedeng dati mong trabaho, dati mong career, or nakahiligan na ipupurso mo ulit ngayong 2024 dahil yun yung passion mo. Na-realize mo, dun ka pala. Yun pala yung gusto mo. So, sa love naman, you have engagement, forgiveness, reconciliation, and separation. Okay, so, now I'm getting it. And I think when it comes to relationship, I don't know, no? Maaring magkaroon ng separation dito sa isang relationship na pinagbigyan mo, pinatawad mo, pero pwedeng maulit yung problema. Kasi ayan meron kayong serious commitment ng person na to. Pwedeng nagkaroon ng problema, pinatawad niyo yung isa't isa, nagkaayos, nagkabalikan, and in the end, ganun pa rin, separation. So I think this is related to tingnan nyo to, itong ibon na to, may hawak siyang ring, and Itong engagement, meron din siyang ring. So, yung iba, I'm seeing a separation sa relationship na sinubukan yung ayusin. Pero in the end, hindi na pala siya worth it. Okay? Lalo na kung ito ay may involvement ng cheating or secrets. Oo. Okay, so that is your reading, Virgo. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Virgo. See you again.